Welcome to 2026. This video you're watching right here is being generated using an AI website. If you're interested in learning how to create AI video like this, just stick with me. This is Amos Hustle Online Technique, and on this channel, I teach people how to create AI videos using their smartphone or even their system. So if you're interested, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So now let's get started. So first of all, you'll be needing your Chrome. Open your Chrome browser, then search ChatGPT, and we'll be also needing a prompt. So we're preparing a prompt. As you can see on the screen, I've already written this to ChatGPT for ChatGPT to prepare a prompt for me that I will use in generating a picture, which is what I want to do. Okay, we are generating a scene, behind the scene of a Spider-Man. So the prompt ChatGPT has already generated for us. So we are going to copy it out and then move to our next step, which is the part where we generate the image with this prompt we just created. This video will be divided into 3 equal parts. Where we generate prompt, we've already generated the prompt, and then we're going to use this prompt to generate the image. So we move to Google Gemini. That is the second website we are using. So we just need to use the ChatGPT prompt to paste in here, but before that we select a photo of which we want to use as the main character. So I'm going to select one of the photo here. Once I select one of the photo which I will use as the main character, that will be holding the selfie camera as we've already generated from ChatGPT, then we will now tell this Google Gemini to use this picture or photo to generate the main image which we will use to generate the main video of a Spider-Man behind the scene video. So I'm just looking for a picture that I will select that will suit the video as I already generated using ChatGPT. Now we are using Gemini to generate the the main image. So I already gotten the image, so I will now tap on one of the images. So once I tap it, it will now instantly appear on the Google Gemini, as you can see on the screen here. So allow it to load, and then what to do next is to paste the prompt which we've already copied from ChatGPT. So now I just paste the prompt, then I've sent it. Now that is it. Now send to Google Gemini to generate. So as you can see, those pictures up there was the ones I already generated before. So now it's doing the work for us. You can see loading Nano Banana Pro. So this is for Google Gemini, and you know Google Gemini is working with other AI tools as well. So like VO3 and then other Googles as well, other AI tools as well. So let's wait. It's already generating the picture, which is it's already done. Here you see it. Boom! It's generated it successfully. Very clean and same face. You can see. So this is how it has already generated it. Let's also download it via the download option. This is a place where you can download it. So let's wait for the download to automatically download on my phone. Then it's almost finished. So now it's almost done downloading. So let me open the app so that we can see how it looks like. Wow! So this is it. This is the image it generated. So this is the image, very clean and very plain. So now what is the next step? The next step now is to use this image to create a video. But first of all, we have to go back to ChatGPT. We still tell ChatGPT to use that same prompt to turn it to a video prompt. So I'm telling ChatGPT now to use that same script as a video script. So it's just a simple way. Just go back to your ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT, please turn that script or prompt into a video prompt. So it's gonna do it right away without wasting much time. So I'm just typing it so that it can turn it instantly to a video prompt. You know, picture prompt is different from a video prompt. So that's what I'm doing now. So it's gonna generate a video prompt for us. Now here it is. It automatically generated a video AI video prompt. So now let's copy everything out and then go over to the next website, but I am using the app. So I'm going to show you the app where we'll be doing the whole stuff, which is to use the image to generate the video which you already saw in the beginning of this video. So please don't forget to subscribe. So this is the app. It's called Grok. Okay, it's called Grok. So now go to your Play Store and search Grok. So this is it. Install it, And then once you install it, then you can also open it on your phone. And then once you open it, sign up with your Google and all of that stuff. And then here is it. The best thing here is that this thing is for free. I generated it here for free. So once you are here, just click on create video. And once you click on create video, then go over here that I'm going to point this red arrow now. Go over here and then click on this you are seeing here, this plus sign. And then once you click on your plus sign over there, I mean to say, then it will bring out photo library. So click on the photo library and then make a choice of the photo. So this is the photo, the image, the Google Gemini did for us. So that's what I'm using. So once you upload it, it's gonna be saying uploading. So once it's done, just paste, go over here that says type to customize video, then paste the prompt, the video prompts, which you already went to ChatGPT for ChatGPT to redo it for you as a video prompt. So paste the prompt here. As you can see, it is almost done. So paste the prompt, and then once you paste the prompt, send it to this Grok. Then Grok will automatically generate the video for you. As you can see, it's already generating the video for us. So that is why we are waiting for it to load. And then let's wait a little bit. So it's downloading. Once it's done, you see the clean work. So please don't forget to subscribe to this video, like this video as well, turn on the notification bell. As you can see, this is the video is already generated for us. It's very clean and very plain. So that is how to use this Grok. We remember I said it's 3 steps. First of all, you use ChatGPT to generate your picture prompt. Use Google Gemini to generate the image of which the ChatGPT generated for you. Then use the Grok to generate the video using the picture of Google Gemini, and then using the prompt of ChatGPT. Once you are done, you are good to go. So you can see over here, I'm just redoing another one now, because the first one I did only showed Spider-Man. So I added another prompt. I told ChatGPT to add Michael Jackson prompt for me, so that I can make it to a 2 scene behind the scene. So then ChatGPT already gave me another prompt again, so I'm going to redo it again, which is going to my Grok. This is my Grok. Then let me upload the same picture of the one that Google Gemini already generated for me. So I pasted it. So this is it. Then let me repaste the prompt again that ChatGPT did for me. So we are going to have a different scene now. We are going to be having a Spider-Man scene in this same video, and still Michael Jackson scene. But let's see. I don't think that this AI is going to give me the kind look face of Michael Jackson, because I didn't detailed this prompt now. I just have to do it for you guys. So let's wait and see if it's gonna give us a better result on the Michael Jackson side, because it's already given us a good result in this Spider-Man side. So let's wait and see. So please don't forget to subscribe. If you are getting value, don't forget to subscribe. So let's wait, and then it's already finishing. So boom, it is done. So let's now see. This is it, and this is the Spider-Man, and then let's see the other one, and then this is the one. So oh wow, it tried. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, and then until I see you guys in my next video, keep winning. Peace out and one love.